Hello everyone. If you're facing this error when you're trying to update your Windows, error encountered, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your Windows update. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here settings. You're going to come here and you're going to write troubleshoot then. Here it is, troubleshoot settings. You're going to click onto other troubleshooters. And then here you're going to click onto run right next to Windows update. And you're just going to wait for this Windows Update Troubleshooter to do its course. So just wait for it to do its thing. And after it's done troubleshooting, what you're going to do is you're going to come back here. You're going to go into your recovery then, and you're going to click on to reinstall now right next to fix problems using Windows Update. Make sure to tick this checkbox and click OK on it. Now your computer will fix that problem using Windows Update. After that, it's going to restart. And once it's done restarting, you're going to come here. You're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here check for updates. And now when you check for updates and update your computer, you'll see that you won't get that error encountered anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.